Well, if you are someone who is into IT profession, and if you know that you are going through body pain, neck pain, there are problems with your digestion, your acidity, and if you know you are unhealthy and unfit, this particular video is especially created for you. So watch this till the end. Hey everyone, welcome and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so, go ahead, hit the button and also press the bell icon so you can continue your learning and growth with me. Well, now why is this video especially for IT professionals? Well, if you don't know that even I was a IT professional back in 2018, I was working in a 9 to 5 in an IT firm for almost one and a half years, and I quit, and ever since then I'm a men's fitness coach. Well, in this video I want to talk about few things that I have seen IT professionals in particular are going through and dealing with in regards to their health and fitness. Number one pain they are going through is the constant sitting job that they have in front of a laptop or a computer. Most of them, my clients are coders, they are developers, so they have to keep on typing and texting all day long. So number one problem is their posture. The number one pain is their posture. They have a slouching posture, and I can remember even my days as I used to come back home, my upper back, my neck was dead. It was so painful by the end of the day that I could barely stand straight. So if you are someone who is experiencing the same kind of pain, type pain in the comment box and let me know if you are going through the same. The number one pain is the posture. The upper back, neck, shoulders pains a lot, and I've been through that. And most of my clients, Swapnil, Avinash, Rahul, Pratik, Ritesh, I have so many of them, they are from IT firm. So they tell me, Ronak, this happened today, this happened with me. But since they're in my community, they know what to do, and I help them overcome those pain. And the second pain that most people go through, and they're not even aware that how their posture is causing indigestion, gas and acidity. Because when you are slouching, it puts a lot of pressure on your abdomen, on your stomach region, and that restricts the blood flow. It restricts the blood vessels. So when your spine is upright, right, it allows your body to move gas freely. But when you are slouching all day long, it is terribly affecting your digestion, and that leads to constipation, which means you have a bad gut. And we all know that how immunity is linked with gut. So you see that just a posture is leading to so many detrimental effects. You can do your own research about it if you don't believe me what I say. So these are some of the immense pain and problems that IT professionals are going through that they're not even aware at this stage. But it is my job and duty as a coach, as an educator, to make you aware and help you act on it. If you know the cause, I am here to help you with that. And as a men's coach myself, and being in IT, I can resonate with the pain. And if you are someone who can feel the pain that I'm talking about, and if you also have experienced the pain once in your life, I think this is for you. What I want you to do is, there's a link in this description, a call booking link through which we can discuss on how can I help you overcome these challenges, because I know you have been there, you have felt it. And if you know the consequences, you know that it's not going to be in your favor if you don't solve those today. So yes, as I was able to help myself, since 7 years I've been into lifting, and help my clients who are into IT achieve the same kind of results, and now their body is so much fit, agile, and they can move here and there, and they have amazing flexibility despite their long working hours in the same posture. But now things have improved for them. So if you are wondering that how can you do so, go ahead, book the call, and I'll see you inside the call. This is Ronak Vora signing out.